It's 7:02 in the morning. Today we're going on a short run through town, I guess, and then we're going on a waterfall hike. We're gonna go to a market and we're gonna make some coffee, I guess. And then we're gonna be back here by 5 for a get ready to hike Kilimanjaro meeting. Make sure we have all the right gear. If we don't, we'll have to rent stuff. And then we have dinner, and then I will update if anything else fun happens. But today's day 2 in Tanzania. Running shoes on.
Run our data screen to your run activities to track your effort in real time.
First run in Tanzania. Whee! Who are these crazy people?
No. Oh, really? Oh, like Britney Spears? Oh, gosh. Yeah.
Bonnie is Britney Spears. Pop star.
Yeah.
Sensation.
Hey. See what you learn when you're in Tanzania?
You're from United States. This is Materuni, and it is in Tanzania.
Yeah.
Feel like you're second home.
Yes.
Okay.
So anything to ask, you may ask me. We are walking like 2 minutes to the place of coffee. Then from there, you will see from how coffee is planted, how it's from the flowers, how we pick, how we remove the shell, how we dry, and lastly, how we make your own cup of coffee and drink the cup of coffee by your own self.
Oh.
So, you're most welcome.
Thank you.
Karibu. Let's start.
All right.
Welcome. This way.
Oh,
We thought you were going to talk to us. They were going to live beach along the way. Oh. This is beautiful. This is all made out of banana leaves.
Oh, banana.
Yeah. Oh, this is gorgeous. That is so cool.
Most welcome.
Yeah.
So most of the people who lives here are Materu by clan. In our region of Kilimanjaro, we have 3 biggest tribes. We have Chagga, who lives in mountainous area like here in Marangu, West Kilimanjaro. We have Maasai, who lives in flatland of Roma. Also we have Fare, who lives in mountain Sambara, going to Same, all the way going to Mkomazi National Park, if you know it. In Materuni village, this is the last village before Kilimanjaro National Park. So beyond the waterfalls where you are going to hike, or on top of the waterfalls, from there, that is Kilimanjaro National Park. Down in the part of the village. And the elevation of here in Materuni village, it is 1,500 meters above sea level. Types of activities which are done here, including agriculture. Most of the people here, they do practice agriculture. We do plant banana for sustainable, for taking as food. And our cash crop, it is coffee, as you can see. These are the coffee plants.
Coffee beans, yeah.
Yeah. And because we have come here for the coffee tour, so we'll go direct to the coffee tour. Worldwide, we have 2 types of coffee, which is Arabica and Robusta. Robusta comes from the word robusto, a Spanish word, robusto, which means strong, while Arabica comes from the Arabs, because the co-founder of Arabica coffee was a British man called Chagga, was living in the Ethiopian mountains at Kefa village. Up there, Chagga was keeping some animals inside, and in the morning he usually opened the animals in order to pasture them at the field. So the animals, wherever they go to the field, when they come back, they go slowly, very sluggish, but when they come back, they are very active like butterfly. So Chagga started investigating, hey, how my goats and sheep, when they go for the pasture, when they return, they are very active. So he started investigating. One day he went to the sheep and goats to the pasture. So the sheep and goats run toward the coffee berries.
Right
which
away.
At that, yeah, right
Okay.
away to the coffee berries. And they started picking, meh, 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 meh. Oh, they said, oh, this is the thing which make my goats very active. Let me take some and go and have some investigation. So Chasdandans took some of the coffee to UK and do some investigation. And the results were out that inside the coffee berries, there is power, and that power is caffeine. Okay? After that, due to the high elevation in Kefa village in mountain Ethiopia, Chasdandans started spreading the coffee across the African continent. He came here in Marangu, here in mountainous areas. So after that, after some 3 years, he passed again, and he found that all of the village where he passed the coffees have grown very well. Like here in Materuni, by around 1930, it's the first time people started harvesting their coffee. So the person standing here will be our DJ.
Right. Yeah.
So you'll be our DJ.
A DJ?
Yeah, a DJ.
Okay.
All right.
Others, we will not concentrate on what you are doing. We'll concentrate on your beat.
Oh.
So who's the DJ?
You're the DJ.
We'll see the youngest one will start.
The youngest?
Yeah.
Shoot. Oh my God. What am I supposed to do? I'm busy. What do I do?
You want me to hold it for you?
Oh, sure.
Youngest one.
The youngest one.
This is for making fun of us for being old.
Yeah.
Yeah. This coffee you can even put for 50 years.
Yeah.
So what next?
Well, we have to get rid of the shells.
We have to.
The water.
The water.
What?
Yeah, the water.
This is gonna well, I'm saying.
No, wait. How do you get rid of? No, you have to turn it clockwise.
Yeah.
Oh. I mean, the clockwise is before even drying the.
Oh.
Wait, how do you get rid of this? Did you not tell us this one?
You didn't tell us this part.
You didn't.
You gotta get rid of the shell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Right?
do you know how to do it?
No, but it looks like you shake it.
You just go like this.
No.
Oh, then no, I don't know.
Oh.
Ah, there you go.
I will be the one to dump it.
I know.
Sorry.
Very slowly.
So it would just be like this is going black.
Yes.
No oil. So it creates its own oil, right? Yeah.
Sorry. Hey, Melissa. Say hi. Hey, Bonnie.
Hey,
Where are we going?
to a waterfall. You know, right here.
Right now.
They're building another. So Kilimanjaro would be right there.
So Kilimanjaro is over there. On the
Yeah.
left side.
On the other side. Okay.
There's a lot of clouds.
On the other side. Wow, it really is clouds. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Oh.
It's a chameleon.
No.
Oh, really?
I like the sun. I like the warmth.
Oh my
Banana beer.
Banana beer.
Yes, they share for this one cup.
Okay.
You drink, you pass like.
Oh, okay. And that you said is $1?
Yeah?
The 1 cup?
Yeah, $1, no problem.
I can try them.
Yeah, best.
And that's just made with, what's in it? Bananas and.
Yes, it is made by banana only.
Fermented banana.
Yes,
Which
yes.
makes
fermented
Wow,
banana, yes,
okay.
yes.
Which makes
those,
alcohol.
those, yes.
So I learned that song. Jumbo, Jumbo Kenya.